Mga halimbawang pangungusap gamit ang future perfect continuous form. John will have been teaching English since morning. Si John ay nagtuturo ng Ingles mula umaga. I will have been studying English for 5 years. 5 taon akong mag-aaral ng Ingles. He or she will have been traveling around the world for 2 years. 2 taon siyang maglalakbay sa buong mundo. He or she will have been performing duties since last year. Siya ay nagsasagawa ng mga tungkulin mula noong 1 taon. The children will have been learning the lessons in the classroom for 6 years. Ang mga bata ay matututo ng mga aralin sa silid-aralan sa loob ng 6 na taon. Will it have been raining all day long? Umuulan ba buong araw? She will have been learning Tagalog for 2 weeks. 2 linggo na siyang natututo ng Tagalog. They will have been living in the Philippines for 2 years. Sila ay 2 taon nang naninirahan sa Pilipinas. I will have been helping him to do the task before the class starts. Tutulungan ko siyang gawin ang mga gawain bago magsimula ang klase. Riza will have been joining us at the meeting before you came. Sasali na si Riza sa aming pagpupulong bago ka dumating. Riza will have been traveling around the world before she comes to Philippines. Si Riza ay naglalakbay sa buong mundo bago siya dumating sa Pilipinas. I will have been attending the program before I come here. Dadalo ako sa programa bago ako pumunta dito. You will have been shopping in that market before we come. Mamimili ka na sa palengke na iyon bago kami dumating. We will have been watching a movie in the mall before you come. Nanonood kami ng sine sa mall bago ka dumating. We will have been shopping in that market before you come home. Mamimili na kami sa merkado na iyon bago ka umuwi. Zaya will have been studying in the library before he comes to the class. Si Zaya ay nag-aaral sa library bago siya dumating sa klase. April will have been gossiping in the coffee shop before she comes here. Si April ay nakikipagtsismisan na sa coffee shop bago siya pumunta dito.